In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio Setup Guide, how to start streaming 2026. We'll go from a clean install to your first screen recording so you can confirm everything works before you start streaming. Begin by heading to the official OBS Studio website, download the installer that matches your operating system, stick to the official site to avoid outdated or bundled installers, and save the file somewhere easy to find. Once the download finishes, open the installer. On Windows, that's the .exe file. If your system asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. In the Setup window, click Next, review the license agreement, and proceed. Installing to the default program files location is recommended for stability and easy updates, so unless you have a specific reason to move it, keep the default path and click Install. This may take a moment. When installation completes, make sure Launch OBS Studio is checked and click Finish. On first launch, OBS will offer an auto configuration wizard. Choose Optimize just for recording, then click Next and apply settings. Even if your end goal is streaming, optimizing for recording right now helps you verify performance and audio levels without going live. You can always change this later in settings. With OBS open, look for the sources box at the bottom, click the plus icon and select Display Capture, then click OK. This source captures your entire screen, which is perfect for tutorials or walkthroughs. If you have multiple monitors, choose the one you want to show. If the preview looks cropped, use the red bounding box in the canvas to fit it to the screen. On some laptops, if you see a black screen, set OBS to run on the same graphics processor as your display in your system graphics settings. Next, check your microphone in the audio mixer. Talk and watch the mic meter move. Aim for peaks in the yellow without hitting red to avoid distortion. If it's too quiet or too loud, adjust the slider. Using headphones can prevent echo from your speakers. If you don't want system sounds in your recording, you can lower or mute desktop audio here. You're ready to capture. Click Start Recording in the bottom right corner. Do a quick test, say a sentence and move your mouse, then click Stop Recording in the same spot. This helps confirm both video and audio are coming through as expected. By default, OBS saves recordings to your videos folder. If you want a different location or format later, you can change it in settings under Output and Recording. That's it, your OBS setup is ready and you've made your first recording.